your boy Jay Will back with another video update. There's still a case study going on from the other day, 3 days ago I set up. Like I said, I'll show you guys whether I get sales or not. Look into it. It's Microsoft Ads. Put it back 3 days. I go from Saturday to today, actually. Okay, so I only received 6 clicks and 78 impressions total over the past couple of days. As you can see, spent only $7. So this campaign, it literally does not have that many impressions or clicks. So it's kind of tough to make a sale, but I did get a few people to the order form, as you can see. Let's put this back. Range. I'll do Saturday till today. Alright. As you can see right here, Diabetes Freedom, 4 hot link clicks and 2 to the order form, which they may come back to the order form and buy later on. You know, we have a 3-day cookie on them, but that's what I got so far. I received no sales with this campaign. I only spent $7, so I'm not out of a lot of money, but just want to update you guys really quick. A lot of people been DMing me telling me to set up the campaign with Metacore. Metacore has a lot of competition, but I still will set the campaign up for you guys to show you guys exactly how I set the campaign up step by step. I'll do that in the next video, but in the meanwhile, like, subscribe, comment, follow me on Instagram at JWillTV.